Hello guys, Joseph, Rebel Haven Unit. Me and Rev about to finish this shower. I went out, got me a blade for the grinder. It's a tile saw actually. I got this Hardy board backer. I'm gonna try to cut out this square I marked. Hopefully I marked it correctly. We'll see, right? I'm gonna try to get this cut out with our diamond tipped tile saw. Hopefully it'll work. You see I marked it. I just used the edge of the, what is it called? I don't even know what it's called. The daggum square. That's what it's called. The triangular square. I just used the edge of it to mark it. So I'm gonna see if I can't get this cut out. I'll have my wife hold the camera and try to get some footage of this. And we'll put it up on the wall. Alright. We got the safety glasses now. We can start trying to cut this. Alright. Let's just send it. Ready? I'm not. I've never tried to cut anything like this in my life.
Okay. What do I do?
I don't know. Keep him away.
Oh, okay.
It'll be fun.
Towards our ATV.
Well, I need it on something.
But brakes. Cause like that thing that is real close to where you're
This thing came loose. You need to tighten it. Interesting. Got this rusted set of pliers. Try that.
You love your Lulu, huh? Oh, you love your Lulu.
I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I think that's actually how it goes. Well, I think I had it on there wrong first time, so I think we might actually get somewhere now. Oh! Okay, so there's some extra pieces that didn't need to be on there, I guess, because that looks like it's solid now. Alright, let's try to cut it. What do you think? Is it working? Glad I did it outside. Look at that. Holy moly. You think you can hold this edge? Just set over in the door and it'll just take a second.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I have glasses to use these.
Okay. I think it's just dust, so we should be good.
Probably, yeah.
There we go. Yeah, just hold like that. There we go. You holding your breath?
I was trying so hard. And then I had to inhale, but then I tried to like cover up my face with like one hand. It was so bad.
Well, that's a handy tool right there.
Huh?
That's
I was
handy.
trying to like do
We're
this
good.
and breathe in through just like a little bit.
You did well, thank you. Alright. Alright guys, well, that was easier than I thought.
Eat it, it's in my mouth.
We managed to get it cut with just a Harbor Freight grinder and a rigid 4-inch, I believe it's a 4-inch tile cutting saw. It's like $30, $28, something like that. Cut it pretty good. Did pretty good. I mean, I may not have cut it well, but the tool itself did a good job. All right, let's go see if it fits. Let's go see if it fits in the hole in the shower. Can you open that door?
Ready to go inside or?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, come on, Rex, let's go inside. Do inside, come on.
All right, let's go see. As you can see, we got our mortar and replacement tiles. So we're just gonna replace them with white tiles because I could not find this blue. Oh, that's a pretty big gap. I think that's gonna work pretty good. So, I tried to mark it earlier where the hole goes. I think it's right here. So I'm not exactly sure how to cut that. Maybe I'll use a hole saw. I don't know. I gotta cut that hole so that this can slide on in. And then I'll put sealant. We'll put like a silicone or a Flexo or something in all the gaps around it. That should work. Let's see. This is the white tiles we got. It was only $15 for this whole box from Home Depot. So that'll work good. Pop right in there. You know, obviously it doesn't match, but oh well. Later, if we redo this whole bathroom, we can do that. But in the meantime, I just want to have a functioning downstairs bathroom. So, and then this mortar was already, this thin set mortar is ready to use. So all I got to do is, so that'll make it easy. No mixing necessary. All right, we got concrete hardy board set in there. We put some Flexo around the edge of it. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to set the tile. Got some thin set. Looks like I gotta make like a real thick bed for it, but we're gonna try it anyways. So let's put the tile on the wall. All right, you saw the video magic. The time lapse made it super fast. But we went ahead and sealed the hole, put Flex Seal around it. I put a layer of thin set because it wasn't actually thick enough. So there was like a step condition happening. So I put a layer of thin set on the whole thing. And then I just put the mortar right onto the back of the tile. And yeah, just right onto the back of that tile. I just applied the mortar. And we got them on there. I need to mount this up. Obviously, I haven't put anything like completely all the way on yet. Just mocked it up so I could see. But yeah, we'll get this put on here. I'm assuming I might have to drill a hole or something. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know how that works, but nonetheless, the shower is whole again. All right, like I was just saying, got the shower done. The only thing left to do is grout it. I gotta tighten the hardware. I'll put the new shower head on, but that's just, you know, some plumber's tape and screw it on there. And then we'll grout the tile. Once the thin set is dry, I'll grout that tile. And I will have a downstairs bathroom. I've had this house for almost 3 years and I've not had a downstairs bathroom the entire time. Because the shower, whenever we were buying the house, someone kicked in the doors and stole the furnaces out of the house. And then someone used the toilet while they were also doing that. So there was water in the lines from the winterization that had antifreeze, but then they put water in the lines and it burst all the pipes down here. And I never fixed the shower until now. So there you go. Shower repair done.